Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. So today I made this easy simple donuts recipe. We call them mandasi in my language, that is Chichewa in Africa. So first of all, I put the vegetable oil in a pan, and then I used this raising flour, and this flour is a game changer. It is already mixed, everything is there. You talk of yeast, you talk of baking powder, you talk of sugar or salt, everything is mixed. So what you just have to do is to add with milk or water and you are good to go. So in this case I used milk, and then I added some more of sugar and then some eggs. So I added 2 cups of self-raising flour, and then half cup of sugar, then 1 cup of milk, and then the last thing I added was 2 eggs. I combined this very well, and then I scoop them and put them in a pan. So make sure the oil is not too hot, otherwise they won't cook inside. So if you see the brownish color around the donuts, it means they are ready to turn them around. In my case, my pan was small and I put a lot of oil, so I had to be very careful so that I don't spill the oil. So that was ready, and then I had to put them aside, and then as I continued the process, so what amazed me there was these donuts were turning by themselves. As you can see, that was so amazing. I didn't bother to use my energy and turning them around anyway. So if you want to know if these donuts are well cooked inside, you can use something sharp like a fork and pierce them. If you see the flour stuck into the fork, it means it's not well cooked inside. If there's nothing, it means they are well cooked. So I had to continue this process until everything was done, and these donuts was so delicious and yummy. I can't manage even to explain, but if you can try this, you won't regret. Look at that, look the way it looks, so delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to turn the notification bells for any other new recipes. Bye for now.